Forgive me now, 'cause I have been unfaithful. Don't ask me why, 'cause I don't know. So many times I've tried, but was unable. This heart belongs to you alone. Now I'm in our secret place, alone in your embrace, where all my wrongs have been erased. You have forgiven all the promises and lies, all the times I compromised, all the times you were denied. You have forgiven. Forgive me, I'm ashamed. I've loved another. I can't explain, 'cause I don't know. No one can take your place, and there is no other.